Today I am reviewing the DEWALT 20V Max cordless drill and impact driver. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The combo kit includes two essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional: a cordless drill and an impact driver. Starting with the cordless drill, the DCD 771, it features a high-performance motor that delivers an impressive 300 watts out of power. This allows you to handle a wide range of applications, from simple household tasks to more demanding projects. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, this drill provides the consistent power and performance you need. One of the standout features of this drill is its two-speed transmission, which ranges from 0 to 450 revolutions per minute in low gear and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute in high gear. This versatility means you can control the speed and torque depending on your task. Tightening screws or drilling large holes becomes much more efficient and precise. The DCD 771 is also compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and maneuver in tight spaces. Its ergonomic handle enhances comfort and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. The half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides excellent bit gripping strength, ensuring your bits stay securely in place while you work. This combination of power, precision, and comfort makes the DCD 771 a highly reliable tool for a variety of tasks. Moving on to the impact driver, the DCF 885. This tool is designed for speed and efficiency in driving screws and fasteners. It is compact, measuring only 5.55 inches from front to back, and weighs just 2.8 pounds, which makes it perfect for tight or hard-to-reach areas. The one-handed loading a quarter-inch hex chuck accepts bit tips up to 1 inch, giving you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of fastening tasks. A particularly useful feature of the impact driver is its 3 LED light ring, which provides excellent visibility with a 20-second delay. This helps illuminate your work area without casting shadows, making it easier to work in dimly lit spaces or confined areas. The lightweight design combined with the powerful performance makes this tool ideal for both professional contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts. The combo kit includes two 20-volt max batteries and a charger, allowing you to work uninterrupted for longer periods. The batteries are designed to provide reliable power throughout your tasks, while the fast charger ensures minimal downtime. This combination of tools, batteries, and charger offers a complete solution for a variety of drilling and fastening applications. In terms of build quality, DEWALT maintains its reputation with durable construction and thoughtful design. Both the drill and the impact driver are built to withstand heavy use, ensuring long-lasting performance on the job site or at home. The ergonomic design of both tools makes handling comfortable, even during extended projects. Overall, the DEWALT 20V Max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit DCK 240C2 delivers an outstanding balance of power, performance, and portability. It is a versatile solution for anyone looking to expand their tool collection with reliable, professional-grade cordless tools. The combination of high torque, compact design, and practical features such as LED lighting and ergonomic handles ensures you can tackle a wide range of tasks efficiently. If you are in a market for a durable and high-performing cordless drill and impact driver set, the DEWALT 20V Max Combo Kit offers excellent value. It is suitable for homeowners, hobbyists, and professionals who need reliable tools that can handle both everyday tasks and demanding projects. With this kit, you get the confidence of DEWALT engineering, the convenience of cordless operation, and the versatility to take on any job. In conclusion, the DEWALT 20V Max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit provides everything you need in a professional-grade cordless power tool set. Its compact and lightweight design, combined with powerful motors, versatile speed settings, and ergonomic handling, make it one of the most practical and dependable combo kits available today. For anyone serious about their projects, this DEWALT combo kit is a tool investment that delivers long-term performance and reliability.